Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. The first one, what we should do is to check if you have the last software version. So open SOUNDPEATS application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu as I am, this one. Now you need to click at the three lines at the left top, and right here we have upgrade firmware. Firmware is the same as software, so we just tap on it and I check for updates, and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, just install a new one and it can fix your problem. If it doesn't, or you haven't a new version, also in the application I recommend it to go to the equalizer right here from the main menu. At the left bottom we have equalizer, and scroll down. Right here we have in-ear detection, and it's turned on, so it means when you remove your earbuds from your ears it will stop the music, and when you remove it to your when you put it to your ears it will play a music. So you can disable it and check, maybe it fix your problem. If it doesn't, also maybe it's a problem of audio player. So let's say you use Apple Music or Spotify or your browser. Firstly, just remove it from the cache and open it again. Then check if it didn't help you. The second one, what I recommended, to update this audio player. So go to the App Store or Play Market and just update it. If it also didn't help you, the last one, what we can do is to perform factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and do not close the lid. At the bottom of the charging case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold on it until this LED light flashed white 2 times. Firstly, it entered to prank mode, don't worry, it's okay. Here we go. Now we need to remove this earbud, so go to the settings, Bluetooth. Right here you need to click the information icon or settings icon, then forget this device and forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after a factory reset these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list. We don't need to use connectional button for it, and just tap on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!